morning. Welcome to TNT Fishing. It is Friday, April 3rd. I always have to look at my watch.
Yes, you do.
Friday, April 3rd. We are on a practice day. We have a tournament tomorrow in Greenwood.
What's that?
Don't feel like...
Sorry, bass moment.
I don't feel like... I don't feel like doing the drive over to Greenville or Greenwood and then staying overnight in the hotel and all that. Just trying to conserve money. We got some big tournaments and some big expenses coming up for this month, including a trip to Tennessee. So we decided just to hit out on Wateree, see what we can see what we can find. I got a whole lot of exploring on this lake I have yet to do. So we'll see how it goes today. But we're excited to get out on a beautiful day.
Yes.
Get our gear all set up and ready for tomorrow's tournament, and hopefully we'll still do well at Greenwood. You know, we had a practice day together that we rocked at, or she rocked at.
Yeah.
And the tournament was pretty decent. So at least, you know, I'm not going in completely blind for Saturday, so I feel pretty confident with that. But anyway, hopefully we can get on some fish, have some good video.
Yeah.
Anything to add?
It's nice to be able to fish and not freeze. Yeah.
All right, talk to you soon. TNT.
This season,
Oh, got one. Hopefully I can get him out of here. Get out of the dock. All right. You go all the way around it, or you I did the Drew Gill thing. Ready?
Oh,
All right.
that's a nice one. Good fish, baby.
Oof, nice. Alrighty, so trying to figure stuff out on this lake, and I decided to do the Drew Gill thing, which basically I made like 2 casts and got a fish. So we're gonna go ahead and weigh this so we can see what kind of a limit we'd have today. But I skipped this under that dock and it just went doink. So that's a Nico rig. It's a Nico Rama, Big Bite Baits, Drew Gill Special. Let's see what this one weighs. I think I had the camera turned a little off to one side, so unfortunately I probably won't have the best view of that fish strike, but yeah, you get wrapped in the dock a little bit, but you gotta get it underneath there. 2.8, locked in at 2.8. Got one.
Holy crap.
Well, that one's a little better, huh? Nice catch.
You're welcome.
On the 4th jump, you catch it with the net.
Well, I had to get over here. I'm sorry.
No, I just think it's funny that it jumped 4 times.
I think it's funny he was doing his acrobatic show.
Yep. Hopefully we got some of that on the camera.
Oh, I'm sure.
Let's see. But yeah, that one, another one on the kite deck on this point. Good. Let's see what this one weighs. I know this one's long enough. My guess is right at 2 pounds. Let's see what happens. Let's see here. 2.2. Let's see here. Oh, big. 113. Locked in at 113. All right. Well, kite tech on point seems to be working. Got to work it slow, but that's pretty cool. Got one. He's a little guy. He's a little guy.
Well, that's good because you don't want to work. Oops, barely had him up.
He's a little cute little guy. Got one. Oh. Not that big, but I got a buck. Thank you. They're definitely using the docks, huh?
Mm-hmm. He might not be long enough to ride this ride.
There's not. I think I bumped that.
Sorry.
Well, he's not long enough to ride the ride, but he's still fun to catch under the dock. Oh, got one. Looks like it's hard, man. Holy cow. Catfish? It is. It's a catfish. Ah, freaking catfish. Freaking catfish.
Little bitty channel cat.
Yeah, a little bitty guy. Well.
Hi.
Got me a little bitty catfish. Little bitty kitty.
Hi, kitty. Good one.
All right. I turn the camera. Oh, hit that. That's a good one. Come over here.
It's a spot.
This one. No spot. I don't think it is. But let's get me here first before I doubt that. All right.
That's your fish.
I think it was.
cast it right behind the dock.
All right. Look at that one.
Ooh.
You got a nice keeper there. With the way him.
Yeah, my camera overheated.
Hmm?
My camera overheated.
It's okay. I think mine's running. Ugh.
Ooh, my rod almost went in the water.
Here. We go. 2.5.
Woohoo!
Look at this. Got him?
Hold on.
Got his lip. Got him? Here you go.
Got him. Picture!
Oh, jeez. There you go. All good. Well, that officially ends our day today. It's about 3:15. We did not practice on Greenwood for the tournament today. We just went out to Wateree and did some fun fishing and made sure all our gears and everything all ready for tomorrow. So, feel pretty confident that we got some stuff worked out for tomorrow anyway. We fished that lake twice last weekend, so hopefully we got something worked out.
Oh, I do.
That's the one she whooped me on.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we'll see what happens, but I gotta get the boat out of the water and we got a little bit of a line at the ramp. So thanks for watching TNT Fishing. Talk to you next time.